So I will show you what happened since last time in this update. So the first thing you can see, it's the boat is painted. We'll switch this. So it needs some more paint, of course, but at least one layer is on, and primer. The steering is not connected right now, but a friend of mine working on a 3D printing detail that will make the steering a bit softer. Then I have installed an instrument panel with a stereo. You can turn off all features like this, and then you can turn it on. And I have installed some speakers as well, so we can try out the sound. Hope I'm not getting a copyright strike. So good for now. Also, one more thing here. I have installed a switch, so you can switch battery. Now it's the lithium battery that is connected. So let me switch to something else. So everything is turned off, and now it's the LED battery that is installed right now, and it has another voltage. So that's kind of cool. So I have not fastened the batteries yet, but I will do that as well. Inside here, still not painted too well. So that was a short update, and more will come. See you soon. Bye. So one more thing about the throttle. So it will be handled like a motorcycle throttle, like this. But you don't need to hold it. It will be like we say in Sweden, semestergas. You just put it in the correct place, and it will continue with that amount of power. So that's it.